What is up, my turn era peeps? So, welcome. I feel like we should move this into November as well, because I honestly feel like we need to keep this going. I wanted to do a whole lot more for the My Turn Era videos. I wanted to do a lot more videos, but I did fall short just because like Everly had hand, foot, and mouth, and then she got sick, and it's just like, welcome to momhood, right? Welcome to momhood. Well, without further ado, let's get into today's video, okay? If you want to see this My Turn Era videos going through November, and I'll probably do the same also for the Healing Era people, because yeah, for the Bootober videos, because I feel like they just need to keep going. We'll call them like No-tober or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, hit that like button because it always helps also. So, without further ado, let's talk about today's video, which is you need to start romanticizing your life. So, let's chat about it. What do I mean when I say you need to romanticize your life? You need to romanticize the crap out of your life. It is your turn, which means you are in your era of receiving, which means every single thing that you want is already within your reach. All you have to do is start claiming it. So by romanticizing your life, by having those dinners that you absolutely love to have, by enjoying the moments with your family, by thinking, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Even when you're putting away your laundry, listen, I'm sitting here on my bed like having to put away my laundry right now, and I will tell you something, I'm romanticizing it. I've got a little book going on in the background, and I get to put away my daughter's clothes, and it's everything that I've ever dreamed about, is having my daughter and being able to put away her clothes, because all I ever wanted was a beautiful little girl, and now I have her, and now I get to put her clothes away, and it's a blessing because she also has clothes, and I have clothes, and they're really, really nice clothes, and I get to hang those up in a closet, you know, so I'm romanticizing every bit of that. When I go to make dinner here in a little bit, I'm going to romanticize it. I get to make dinner and then sit down and have dinner with my daughter. One of the things I started doing is turning the TV off when it's dinner time, so that we can sit there and have dinner together. Yes, she's like 1.5 years, well, almost 2. Oh my gosh, she's almost 2, but it's still nice to just be able to sit there and just have dinner with my daughter and not have to like have any distractions, you know. She thinks it's really cool because she's having like alone time with mom, and she thinks it's wonderful. So you want to sit there and romanticize every bit of your life. When you go to bed at night, do the things that you would do in that timeline. Are you meditating? Are you journaling? Are you reading your favorite book? Are you taking a bath before you go to bed? Do you take a nice calming shower before you go to bed? Sometimes that helps. Do you just relax before you go to bed? Do you do stretches? What do you do before you go to bed? And then how would you go to sleep? You know, when you get up in the morning, it's not, ugh, I have to get up and I have to do this now, and oh, there's my alarm, it goes off for the second time, and oh. Instead, you get up and like you go do your things. Do you work out in the morning? You know, just really romanticize your life. Really have that fairy tale life and be completely freaking delulu, because sometimes they say that delulu is the way, right? Delulu is the way. So I want you to really focus on creating that balance of having the delulu in your life. Yes, I'm always about having the spiritual and the literal, right? Like you have to have the logical and the spiritual and have a balance of it. But right now, I want you to also delulu the crap out of your life. And I'm not telling you to go and spend thousands and thousands of dollars on something because you've always wanted it. Put that on your vision board and look at it every day, and it's already yours, right? It's yours. Every time you pick up your computer to work on it, and you're like, but I want a new computer. You're working on your new computer, right? That's your new computer. Act as if it's your new computer and watch as it shows up in your life. Sometimes you're going to get a check. I recently got a check in the mail that I didn't even know I was going to get. When I had to turn in my lease for my car, when I was like, I shouldn't be paying this, so let's go get something that's a little bit more affordable, right? I turned in my lease. I didn't even know I had equity on that car. I got in the mail a check for like, it was like 1 month payment, but it was still equity that was owed to me. how cool is that stuff that you get? Because, you know, these are just things that come to you. You don't even know about them. I also got a check coming in the mail for the tax that I paid on that. There's a refund coming from that. I've had things, you know, show up. Sometimes you might get a check from somebody, or somebody goes, oh, I owe you money from like years and years ago. I've had it happen before. I had a person call me and say, hey, I still owe you money. Let me send that to you now. What's your Venmo? You know? And they sent me money, and I was like, whoa, that was like years ago. And I could have been like, nah, man, but I was like, cool, thank you. But these are the things that you're going to be delulu about. You're going to be delulu, because delulu is the way, right? Delulu is the way, so that you can receive. So you're going to romanticize the crap out of your life. You're going to pretend like you are already living your most divine life, so that when all of these things come into your life, you're already ready for it. Because the other thing is, the universe is like, well, you're not really vibrationally ready. So do I really want to give it to you? Because it's a lot. It's a lot, right? So you've got to be that vibrational ready. Well, when it finally shows up, you're going to be ready. You're going to be like, I'm already ready for this. I can totally do this because I am ready for this. So you need to start romanticizing your life. Delulu, delulu, delulu. You are in the my turn era. Delulu, delulu, delulu. It's already here, right? It's already a part of you. You've got this. So, I hope this helps. Thank you so much, my turn era. Now go delulu the crap out of your life and romanticize it. Go have some fun. Take the day off. You know what? Even if you cannot go somewhere, go down to a park. That's free. Walk. Go for a walk. Go for a hike. I love hiking. Hiking helps me a lot. But just, you know, go do something. Can you go to a pool? Is there like a free pool near you? Can you go relax somewhere? You know, maybe just even fill your tub up with water and light some candles, and sitting in your tub, you know, with a glass of wine. I always did fake wine because I'm not a big drinker, but you know, whatever floats your boat, right? Go do it. Okay? Go romanticize your life. That's your homework for today. Okay? Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.